Here we have a 2015 BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get the 19-inch alloy wheels finished in black, all in excellent condition, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. We've also got an M Performance styling kit on this vehicle, including the front splitter, side skirts and rear spoiler. Black kidney grills there at the front. There's a look at that second 19-inch alloy wheel. We've got the M Sports badging, colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, shark fin antenna on top just there as well. Side skirts down below. There's a closer look at the third alloy wheel. And as we come to the rear, you'll see your black spoiler lip, which really sets the back end off nicely. You've also got front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Dual exit exhausts on the left there, XDRIVE badging as well. Now as you can see, the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and there's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. Now if we go on to the interior next, we'll start at the rear. We have got a full leather interior throughout. 2 seats in the back just here. ISO fixed points within the seats, fold down armrest in the centre, storage space. We've got the vents and 12-volt connectivity in the middle, integrated speakers on either side. In the front here, we've got that same full leather interior. On the doors we've got our Harman Kardon sound system, brushed metal handle, gloss black trim, more of this red leather which looks fantastic. Power folding electric ring mirror controls with electric windows as well. Auto lights on your right just there. We've also got electrically adjustable seats for the front passengers with memory functions for the driver. Stepping inside now, multifunctional steering wheel with different controls for whilst we're on the go. Things like speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls, volume controls, paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of your gears, auto wiper stalk on the right there, auto high beam assist on the left. We've also got this fantastic Alcantara steering wheel with the red banding at the top there, which looks absolutely superb and obviously matches the interior as well. Now coming on to the middle, you've got your infotainment screen. As you can see, you've got a visual display of both front and rear parking sensors on the screen at the moment. You've also got satellite navigation, different forms of media connectivity like USB, Bluetooth and auxiliary, going across CD and DVD as well as music collection. DAB radio as well is included. You've then got phone connectivity for if you're wanting to make calls or listen to music. We've also got different driving modes consisting of Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco, so you can pick and choose which mode best suits your driving style at the time. Coming down, you've then got stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left, dual zone climate controls below with heated seat controls for both front passengers. We've then got additional storage space below here, 2 good sized cup holders below here. Gear stick, we can take manual control like so as well should you wish. Traction control, different mode selects, button for your parking sensors there as well. You've then got a touchpad and control wheel with the different shortcuts, again for the infotainment screen. Soft touch leather armrest which does double up as storage, and you've got your snap-in adapter for your phone in there as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.